Alberta releasing new data showing that since January, over 95% of those with confirmed COVID-19 cases were unvaccinated or caught the virus within 2 weeks of their first dose. And the number of people diagnosed with 2 doses, 0%. But new daily case counts are starting to rise.
The information that's coming out and more information showing that getting vaccinated and getting fully vaccinated is the number one thing we can do individually and as a society to get out of the pandemic.
As worldwide case numbers rise, countries like France implementing policy Alberta has so far taken off the table: mandatory vaccines for frontline healthcare workers. Right now, medical professionals in Ontario are pushing for this, leaving governments and employers weighing the medical gains versus the legal headache.
Alberta, it seems that the government is not going to mandate vaccines, and in my view, may even pressure AHS not to mandate vaccines because that's their policy. But there wouldn't be a reason, for example, that a private long-term care home chain might not decide to mandate vaccines.
As an expert in health law, Lorianne Hardcastle reminds that an employer requiring vaccines could lead to union grievances. And if government brings it in, charter challenges. But from a health perspective, studies have proven a vaccinated person is a lot less likely to spread the virus, even if they caught it.
The main place that we've had outbreaks of COVID-19 since the start of it has been in healthcare facilities.
Infectious disease expert Dr. Jim Kellner knows it's controversial, but says it comes down to protecting patients. While Alberta Health Services does not have numbers on vaccination rates for healthcare workers, they maintain it is very high and will be continuing all COVID-19 protocols for cleaning and masking for the foreseeable future. For Hardcastle, the delicate balance also becomes social.
And to push back harder and to say that, if these were safe and effective, the government wouldn't have to mandate them, and to cause people to become even more hesitant.
Alberta's daily cases leapt back over 100 on Thursday, and even as 75% of those eligible have received their first dose of vaccine, the uptake rates have slowed dramatically. In Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.